Imagine stepping outside every morning and seeing a yard that looks like it came straight out of a gardening magazine, full of color, movement, life, and you barely did anything to maintain it. No constant watering. No weekly mowing. No buying fertilizers. No battling pests. Just a naturally thriving garden that takes care of itself. What if I told you that millions of Americans are already doing this? Not with expensive landscaping, not with artificial turf, but with something incredibly simple: native plants. These are plants that have lived in your region for hundreds, even thousands of years, and they've learned how to survive heat waves, winter freezes, droughts, pests, and poor soil all on their own. And today, I'm going to show you how these low-maintenance native plants can transform your yard into a beautiful, self-sustaining, eco-friendly paradise, with almost zero hard work from you. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by gardening, the constant watering, pruning, fertilizing, mowing, you're not alone. Most homeowners want a beautiful yard, but not everyone wants to become a full-time gardener. And that's exactly why native plants are becoming one of the biggest gardening trends in the United States. Imagine stepping outside into a yard that feels alive and effortless. A place where flowers bloom in vibrant colors, birds and butterflies visit daily, and the plants seem to grow beautifully without you doing much at all. This is the promise of native plants. And step one begins with understanding why they are the backbone of a truly low-maintenance landscape. Native plants have evolved in your region for hundreds or thousands of years, which means they already understand your climate, your soil, your rainfall patterns, and even your seasonal extremes. Instead of forcing exotic plants to survive in unfamiliar conditions, natives simply thrive. They require far less water, are naturally resistant to local pests, and rarely demand fertilizers or constant pruning. Many homeowners spend hours every week maintaining their garden, but native plant gardeners often spend minutes. This step helps you see the foundation. The right plants make gardening easier, cheaper, and more enjoyable. When you choose plants that belong, they do most of the work for you. And once you realize how dramatically natives reduce your workload while increasing beauty, you'll understand why they're considered the smartest gardening choice for modern homeowners. Step 2 takes you deeper into the plants themselves. What makes them visually stunning and functionally powerful? Native flowering plants like coneflowers, bee balm, asters, and black-eyed Susans provide rich bursts of color through multiple seasons. Without demanding constant attention, they blossom in waves, attracting bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, while standing strong through heat and drought. Unlike delicate imported flowers that wilt easily, natives have deep root systems that help them stay hydrated and resilient. Then there are native shrubs such as ninebark, buttonbush, and viburnum, which offer structure and year-round presence. These shrubs keep your yard looking full even in winter, and they rarely need shaping. And native ornamental grasses like little bluestem or switchgrass, and you instantly bring motion, texture, and a naturalistic look that requires almost zero upkeep. Together, these plants create a garden that looks intentionally designed, yet feels wild and free. The perfect blend of beauty and simplicity. This step shows you the wide range of natives available and how they elevate your landscape visually, while keeping maintenance incredibly low. Step 3 teaches you how to read your yard before planting, because understanding sun, shade, soil, and space ensures every native plant thrives with minimal help. Start by observing where sunlight hits your yard throughout the day. Some areas get full sun for 6 hours or more, others receive partial shade, and some spots remain shaded most of the time. Natives thrive best when placed where nature intended them to be. Sun-loving species like coneflower or prairie dropseed need open light, while shade natives like wild ginger and foamflower prefer filtered light beneath trees. Next, understand your soil. You don't need perfect soil for natives. Many thrive in clay, sandy, or rocky soil, but knowing what you have helps you choose the right species. Then evaluate space. Native plants grow vigorously, and spacing matters. Giving each plant proper room prevents overcrowding, reduces pests, and eliminates the need for constant pruning. These observations require no tools, just your eyes, a few minutes outdoors, and a willingness to work with nature instead of against it. By reading your yard properly, you set yourself up for a garden that requires almost no intervention once established.